What if you could run your entire WordPress site just by talking to Claude Code? Let me show you how. Here's how to connect Claude Code to WordPress with WP Vibe. First, in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, add New, search for Vibe AI, and install the free plugin. Open the WP Vibe page, and you'll see your MCP server URL and a connect button. Over in the terminal, I add the WP Vibe server to Claude Code with one command. The first time, it walks you through a quick sign-in to authorize your WP Vibe account. Then I ask Claude Code in plain English to connect my WordPress site. It calls WP Vibe and registers the site to my account. I give the tool a few seconds to run, and then it hands back the exact one-click WordPress authorization link I need for the next step. That link opens an approval right inside WordPress. I click approve, and the site is connected. Now the real test. With my site connected, I can manage WordPress just by asking. I'll ask Claude Code for the site's info. Give it a moment to reach into the live install, and it pulls back the version, the active theme, and every plugin. And connecting is just the start, and from here you can manage your whole WordPress site just by chatting with Claude Code. Try WP Vibe free at wpvibe.ai and subscribe for more.